So the Corvette got in a couple days ago. First thing we have to do is put the clear bar on. So we gotta get the car protected before we get her on the road. Really important to make sure we protect this beautiful paint on this 70th anniversary special edition. Now, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. Let's take a look at a few of the other cars we've got here inside the garage. This one here is a 21 C8 HTC. This one here is the Sebring Orange. And this is actually my business partner's vehicle. So he's gonna be happy he gets back into town. And when he gets back, this here will be ready and waiting for him. We're getting the clear bar done today. A must have. If you guys are getting any type of, want any type of protection for your vehicle, you wanna make sure that the front end stays protected from the rock chips, the stones. Arizona is really bad for a lot of road debris. So this is really important. The vehicle's got 7 miles on it. Get that knocked out. Let's take a look at it. Now for the protection on this, we went all the way to the front fender. We did the mirrors. So this whole area here is all protected. The hood, got the side mirrors done, and they're finishing up the bumper.
Headlights are done.
Headlights also, yep. So we got the headlights. And if anybody's in the Phoenix area, this is David. He is with Custom Clear Bars. He is mobile, has his own machine, cuts his own pieces, so nothing is pre-done on these vehicles. Really a great option to have someone that is dedicated to doing these vehicles. He does all the cars that we get that come in. Definitely want to make sure you guys check him out. We do have another one on the way in being built, which is going to be the white 70th anniversary. Pretty much it's going to be equipped the same way. That's the one that I can't wait for. So along with the front screen protection that we're getting on the vehicle, the PPF, we also just got in the screen protection kit. Now this is designed for the touchscreen on the vehicle. We're gonna take a look at it, go ahead and unbox it and see how this works.
No, it looks like they made this one.
All right, so we got two, came with instructions, which you probably don't need because you are a professional at this here, so.
A little squeegee, a little rag. All right.
Okay.
Cool. And then this is just for your soap and water. Okay.
All right, let's check out the install, see how easy this is. All right, so we got the clear bar down the front. We're gonna do the install right now on the interior. Open the top up so we got a little bit more room here. So we are gonna cover this all up because we have all the suede interior here. We wanna make sure we don't get any water. So we spray the clean protector, spray the protector film, get it wet.
Wow, that's a close fit.
Nice thing is, looks like it has everything's cut out already.
Give me a little bit more spray back here. Take that. Light, please. Pretty close.
So we are done. What time you get here?
9:30.
It was 10 o'clock.
So 2 people.
It's 3 o'clock, so Dave got here about 10. All done. Man, she looks gorgeous. This is how you protect your vehicles. Get them done. If you get a brand new car, definitely try and get this done before you get her on the road. Then we just did the inside protection also. So we've got the screen protector from fingerprints, marks. Had to pull her out, take out this all suede interior. Upper dash, steering wheel, door trim, door panel. We've got the stealth speakers with the carbon fiber. And listen, if you're interested in this for your vehicle, they've got different makes and models you can choose from. There'll be a link in the bottom of the description below. Let's check it out. So install was pretty good on this. Has the cutouts around the volume control and the switches, and also around the start switch button. Install went in really well for the screen front and for the dash. So listen, if you're interested, check out the link below. There'll be a direct link to the screen protector for the interior of the vehicle. And listen, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. So we got her all done. Man, she's looking great. This car is phenomenal. Listen, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, enjoy the ride.